In this video, we're going to look at the Terra Classic supply, which has steadily been decreasing, and then we're going to go into the charts and look at where the price is likely to be heading here over the next few days and weeks. All right, so if you go on CoinMarketCap, you can see we're actually up 6% today, pretty nice. But you can see the circulating supply and the max supply, or total supply. So if you look at the circulating supply, it used to be 6.5 trillion, and now the circulating supply is down to 5.9 trillion. So we have decreased the circulating supply by 600 billion. Now most of this is from staking, actually, and some of it is from burning. Now, if you want to see how much is only from burning, you look at the total supply, which used to be 6.9 trillion. Now it's down to 6.8 trillion. So we have seen quite a bit of burns. Still have a long way to go to get the whole supply down. But yeah, staking actually taking a lot out of the circulating supply. We have circulating supply down by 600 billion. So if we want to see this decrease in supply actually have significant effects on the price, we're going to need to see it either a lot more staking or a lot higher burns, because right now the rate at which we're reducing the supply isn't doing a lot. But even if the supply stays the same, we don't necessarily need the supply to go down for the price to go up. We could have the supply stay the same, and if we build a lot of utility, we could still see the price go way up, because decreasing the supply isn't the only way to increase the price. There's also utility. I would say building utility is even more important. And if that's what the team's working on right now, is building utility, if they can successfully build a lot of utility on the blockchain over the next few years, we could see some massive gains for Terra Classic, even with this maintaining the same supply. So we'll see how it goes. Right now, the Terra Rebels are working. They have a roadmap and everything. They're working on building utility. So if they can do that, we could still see massive gains over the next few years. All right, now let's go into the charts. So here's Terra Classic, and we're still in this downtrend. And we've dumped a bit over the last few days because Bitcoin started dumping again. This huge dump was from the big FTX crash and everything. So if Bitcoin continues to dump, then we may see Terra Classic continue down, maybe all the way to 10, where our next major support is. But if Bitcoin starts heading back up, then Terra Classic likely will too. So most important thing to watch right now is Bitcoin. So we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart. And we did break down from this triangle, but in the past day here, we have seen a bounce. We came down to this previous low at 15,400. We've seen a bounce from there. Now, question is the dump over? Are we continuing up, or is this just a temporary bounce before we continue this dump? Well, if we go out on the daily, we see we did have this bearish pennant, which we broke down from. So the price target of that is down at about 12,000. Now, we have seen a bit of a bounce. Is the dump over? Well, not necessarily yet. So if we come up to like 17,000, then yeah, that would invalidate this bearish pennant breakdown, and that would nullify our price target. But so far, it's not been invalidated yet, and we still are on track for the price target of 12,000. This could just be a small little relief bounce amidst this dump, and then over the next few days, we could continue downward towards our price target of 12,000. So we'll see how this plays out over the next few days. Of course, if we get down to 12,000, then Terra Classic will likely dump down as well, maybe all the way down to 10. So I'll keep you guys updated. But I think the bottom for the crypto market's coming but before the end of the year, and then next year we're going to be heading back up into our next bull market. So we'll see what happens. Right now, we are still in this dump. We'll see if the price target plays out down to 12,000. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.